Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the lift kit matches your Toyota Sequoia year and drivetrain. That avoids part mismatches once you begin. Once done, safely jack the vehicle and support it on rated jack stands. Never rely on the hydraulic jack alone. Remove front wheels and disconnect sensors or sway links as needed, and label fasteners. Make sure to take photos of stock suspension geometry. These references speed reassembly and help you restore ride height if something needs adjusting later. You now remove old struts or shocks and install the lift components included in your kit: spacers, new springs, or full strut assemblies, following manufacturer orientation and torque specs. As you fit control arms or drop brackets, tighten hardware progressively in the correct sequence to avoid binding. Use the torque wrench and confirm values. Reroute brake lines and ABS wiring so they have slack through full droop and bump. Make sure sway bar end links are connected with proper clearance to prevent binding during articulation. You finish by reinstalling wheels, torquing lug nuts to spec, then lowering the vehicle and retorquing suspension fasteners after the weight settles. Make sure to get a professional alignment so camber, caster, and toe meet the kit or factory targets. Improper alignment causes uneven tire wear. Take a cautious test drive focusing on noises, steering feel, and ABS or traction warnings. If you hear clunks or see rubbing, stop and inspect mounts and clearances. A loose bracket or pinched line is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.